Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about West Asian conflicts. West Asia refers to the region towards the west of Asia. The term Middle East is also used to describe this area. The conflicts that developed between Arabs and Jews are often described as the West Asian crisis. It was mainly related to the occupation of Palestine, and Palestine, which was inhabited by Arabs, was under the control of Britain before Second World War. Jerusalem, which is holy city for Jewish, Christians, Muslim alike, is situated in it. The Jewish traditionally considered Palestine as their promised land, from where they had been exiled in ancient times and pushed across Europe and Asia. In Europe, they were a persecuted community as Christians consider them responsible for the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. The conflict came to a head in Germany under the Nazis when millions of Jews of Europe were jailed and killed. So, after these incidents, a movement had emerged among the Jews called Zionist movement, which called for uniting Jews spread across the world and to reclaim Palestine as their homeland and build a separate state for Jews. After 1945, this demand was supported by Western powers. However, since Palestinians, who were mostly Arab Muslims, were already living there, this became a bone of contention. The matters were also complicated by the discovery of massive oil reserves in the Middle East, especially in the Arabian Peninsula. Both US and USSR wanted to bring this region under their sphere of influence and would not let the other country establish its control. In 1947, the United Nations passed a resolution according to which Palestine was divided into two parts, Arab and Jewish states. In 1948, the British withdrew their troops from Palestine and Israel was created for Jews. The Arabs did not agree to giving up their homeland. The Arabs refused to recognize Israel as a legitimate state. The policies pursued by the State of Israel increased the bitterness. The Arabs were forced to leave their homes and properties and had to take shelter as refugees in other Arab states. The Arab nations did not agree to giving up their homeland. The president of Egypt, Gamal Abdel Nasser, made an effort to unite the Arabs and he formed Fedayeen's suicide squads for causing explosions in public places in Israel. 1956, Israel attacked Egypt with the support of Western powers, and both United States and USSR demanded a cessation of war and a ceasefire. Israel had to withdraw its army from the West Bank. In 1967, Arabs attacked Israel once again. Israel decided that offense is the best form of defense, and it attacked Egypt and destroyed its entire air force. It also occupied the territories of Gaza, Golan Heights, and the West Bank. Israel believed that these occupied territories would act as buffer zones. In the meanwhile, an organization called Palestinian Liberation Organization (PLO) was established in 1964 in Jordan and added a new dimension by bringing together all the different Arab factions. Its aim was to regain the land it lost without violence. However, in 1967, PLO, under the leadership of Yasser Arafat, applied pressure and force on Arab states to attack Israel. But the Arab states were not very enthusiastic, hence, a faction of PLO led by Arafat carried out terrorist attacks like plane hijacking, holding the Israeli Olympic squad at the Munich Olympics as hostages in September 1972 and killing many of the sportspersons, etc. Israel used such attacks by the Palestinians to mount further attacks on them and refused to implement the promises it had made. The region has been constantly in a state of war and terrorist attacks as a result of retaliation and counter retaliation. The PLO too broke into many mutually warring factions. Eventually, Arafat gave up terrorism and agreed to find a peaceful solution by recognizing the formation of Israel. Arafat held negotiations with Israel to end the long war and came to many agreements regarding self rule for Palestinians. Israel agreed to withdraw its forces from West Bank in addition to giving voting rights to the Arab residents of Palestine. However, this was not successful as Israel failed to implement its promises and continued to attack the Palestinians under one pretext or other. Many countries agreed to recognize the PLO as the legitimate representative of the Palestinian state and Arafat as its president. Arafat died in 2004 due to flu fever. The Palestinians are still fighting for their homeland and peace under very difficult conditions of exile and warfare.